Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to take a screenshot on your iPhone without using any physical buttons. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Inside Accessibility, scroll down again and tap on Touch. Now tap on AssistiveTouch. Go ahead and turn AssistiveTouch on. Once it's enabled, tap on Double Tap. From the list of actions, select Screenshot. Now, whenever you double tap the AssistiveTouch button, your iPhone will automatically take a screenshot, no need to press any physical buttons. And that's it. Now you know how to take a screenshot without using any buttons on your iPhone.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.